Pitched roofs totally change the game when it comes to keeping your home dry and stylish, plus they give you some cool extra space up top. Alright, so if you're thinking about roofing options, here's the deal. Pitched roofs are all about sloping sides that help rain, snow, and ice melt slide off easy, which means less chance of annoying leaks. They look good on tons of different house styles, so you're not stuck with something boring. Plus, that angled roof can create an attic space. Great for storage, or even turning into a cozy bonus room if you want. Just a heads up, pitched roofs can be a bit pricier to build, especially if you want fancy materials like slate or copper, but the durability and curb appeal might be worth it. Also, they're not the best fit for super big buildings or places with strict height limits, since the roof's peak adds to the height. Safety is key when installing these bad boys because climbing around on steep roofs can be sketchy without the right gear. On the flip side, flat roofs are easier and cheaper to put on, but they can hold on to water and snow, making leaks a bigger headache. People also tend to walk on flat roofs like their patios, which can mess things up if it's not designed for that. So, think about what works best for your space and budget. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pitched roofs is ignoring proper waterproofing. This leads to leaks that could have been avoided with good flashing and underlayment. Fix it by making sure your contractor uses quality materials and seals all joints carefully. Another common issue is poor attic ventilation under pitched roofs, which causes moisture buildup and can mess with your insulation. Adding vents at the ridge and soffits really helps airflow right. Lastly, folks sometimes underestimate how important professional installation is. Trying a DIY or cheap job often results in safety risks and costly repairs later. To fix that, always hire experienced roofers who know how to handle pitch angles safely and correctly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get new gigs by connecting them directly with people ready to start on their big home improvements.